Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Laurie Candle over here. Going to do another Goose Creek Candle review. And today I am doing apple cider. I got this candle at Macy's Backstage, and it was originally $9.99 there. And then it was probably in the store for a while, and then it went to the clearance section for $6 something. And then when I was there, they were going through and they were double checking all the clearance and scanning them to make sure that they didn't need to be marked down again. So I had them scan this one, and it got marked down to like $4.67. So I was like, yes, I'm taking that candle. So this is apple cider, and I will read the notes to you. It's pretty simple. It's spiced apple cider, cinnamon, vanilla, spice, and clove. I melted this one a little bit last night, and then I've had this one melting for a few hours today, and you can see it's got a really nice deep wax pool on there. And this one today, it actually started throwing pretty fast. It took a little bit yesterday when it was the first melt, and then this morning when I put it on to melt it again, it was pretty fast. I could really smell it. This one really is a nice scent. It's got a good strong throw, I think. Can really smell the apples and the spice cider, that it's like the top note, and cinnamon. Don't know about vanilla spice, but I definitely get clove and cinnamon. I mean, it really smells like this picture right here. That's what it really smells like. Like I have some cider, you know, warmed on the stove with some cinnamon sticks and some clove in it. It's really nice. I'm not a huge apple scent lover. I mean, it kind of has to be apple mixed with other things. Like one of my favorite ones is the Radiant Red Maple, which is like apple mixed with marshmallow that they used to have at Bath & Body Works a couple years ago. I actually still have 2 of them that I'm kind of holding on to because I love apple mixed with other notes or spices. And so this one is definitely in my wheelhouse for apple and spice. It's really nice. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about burning it, you know, in December or melting it in December, just because it's more of a fall scent, but actually it's really nice. And it's one that you could probably do any time of year, even in the summertime, because apple, you know, fruity notes can be, you know, summery too. So yeah, this is a nice candle. I think the throw is probably at least a 7-8. It's got a really nice color. You can't tell because my camera does not do red candles justice. But this candle is kind of a brown, if you can see on the bottom. But when it's melted, it actually kind of has a red glow to it, and you can't even tell how deep that red is on my camera. So it's got a really nice color, and it's lit up really nice with the light shining through it. So even with the flames, if it was burning and not just warming like that, it would be probably about that bright and nice bright lit up red. So yeah, I recommend this candle if you like any kind of apple scents, especially if you like spiced apple. This one's really nice. And I also have a one of the apple spice, like the apple pie ones, I think a 16 ounce that I need to review too. So, you know, I imagine that one's probably got a little bit more cinnamon sugar in it with the pie. But yeah, this is a nice candle, and I recommend it if you like any kind of apple or apple spice. Like and subscribe, and make sure you leave me any questions you might have, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Good night.